should be screened for diabetes. With a simple blood test, an HbA1c, which does not require fasting, there's no ceremony around it, no fasting PP, simple, random, non-fasting.
I would suggest here rather than 30, I should bring it down to 25 because today the kind of a money power with IT guys is quite high, and they are working 14 hours, 15 hours, mad, as if they have sold themselves, the soul and heart and the body to the company. It's not an 8-hour job. They are paid for 8-hour job, but they extracted 14-hour job. And the tension is one of the areas where the diabetes is one of the preconditions, frankly.
So rather than, from my experience, I would say, rather than asking people to get up early, these are the times you should suggest people to sleep early also. I think
sleep early, automatically it goes down. See, automatically it goes down. A person should have normally beyond 30-35 years, minimum 6 hours good sleep. Okay, 8 hours is very good, no problem. But when you say you have to get up at 5, I'm not asking you to go to sleep at 12 o'clock. You have to sleep at 11 if you have a 6 hours sleep. If you want an 8 hours sleep, you have to go at 11, maybe 9. And in especially place like Bombay, the food habits are very, very bad. That is the one which has to be tackled.
So that's where
saturated fats and saturated, the carbohydrates are the ones which are going to cause more problems to you, like noodles, pastas. These are all the things which add to the diabetes.
I think the atom bomb is these things. Fast foods are real atom bombs.
So what I say, like in tobacco and smoking, they put a skeleton. So same way on the pasta packet and noodles, you put a fundus photo with a retinopathy.
Possibly, yes, you said it. It may happen.
Put a fundus photo highlighting the retinopathy.
See the associations.
Whether to eat or not to eat.
Yes, he wants to say something.
Just connecting with him, like pasta, noodles, fast food and everything. I think most of the Mumbai girls, around 70-75% of Mumbai girls, they are having the best food, that means the best meal at night, and then after that they go back to sleep. That means whatever food they have eaten, even if it's healthy or a kind of Sanjeevani type of food, it's not of kind of 100% use. It will just get deposited or something and you get...
See, the sleep, what he says is nothing but that 8 o'clock you should have your dinner and give 2 hours for it to get digested. After that you go to sleep. People go home at 11 o'clock and full stomach, whole day's food they are having at 11. And immediately fall asleep around 11:30, 12. And what is the kind of life you are going to live? You are going to get a pot belly, you are going to get a big bumps, and you are going to not do any kind of exercises. And that's end of it.
There is one saying, eat like a king, breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a bride.
Like a Mysore, yeah, that's right. No, that trend is gone. We are doing actual reverse. Morning 7:18 train has to be taken, no breakfast, only chai, coffee, वो भी खड़े होके. फिर दोपहर को sandwiches and all other things on the roadside. Even Nariman Point people, forget the other areas. Nariman Point, where are the hotels? Very few hotels where you can afford it. First of all, you cannot. And go on the sites and have some Chinese bale and all rubbish. The night come home and full as if he has never seen food in his life. Freak out on the food and go to sleep immediately. This is the life. And people are already having at the age of... We see a lot of trend because we do a disaster management program. We do a CPR training program even for doctors also. We have trained more than 20,000 people. We try to save, we do effective CPR, not just CPR. Our NGO is doing. And who are the people who are getting today using cardiac arrest? People do not know the difference between a heart attack and a cardiac arrest. And cardiac arrest is only one first remedy is within 2 minutes you have to identify this is a cardiac arrest patient, this is not a heart attack patient, and give CPR. CPR is just 15 seconds it will take for me to explain to you all. But thing is, it is a must. We are promoting that in a very big way. And who are the target? Ladies don't get up to age of 50, 55. Because God has made them like that. Maybe they have a second heart of the husband also. just joke actually. I just joke that way. But generally the male members of the family, 30-year-old bread earner, getting a cardiac arrest and pass away. So we want to not train him, we want to train his family, female members in the family, who can save his life, try to save his life, resuscitate him. This is what we do in our disaster management. This is also a very important program as along with diabetes, because diabetes are prone to cardiac arrest.
Correct.
And silent infant.
It's silent. And in Bombay like life, I'm telling you, when we go to promote what is the heart attack, what are the symptoms of heart attack, what are the cardiac arrest, there's no symptoms at all. Hardly you see any symptoms. 1 or 2 symptoms only we just see. That also they say, अरे दोपहर को बटाटा वड़ा खाया होगा उसके वजह से gas problem है, pain, chest pain हो रहा है. And when he goes to the ICU and comes back, luckily, then he remembers, oh, this is not because of batata vada, it is because of the way of life he is living. This is what it is. This is diabetic alone cannot be treated as a unified or singularly. It has to be a multi-pronged attack, multi-pronged education, and right from childhood days, it is training of each individual. It's a way of life, like I said, simple as that. And many more associations are required. Doctors, I would suggest, many more associations are required for non-profit or profit, whatever way you want to do it. Like America, each and everything has an association. Okay, everything has an association. For the last 40-50 years they have been there. In India, you see how many diabetic associations are. Even diabetic capital of the country. And Bombay is the diabetic capital of entire India. And still, there's not many associations to spread the message. No one is interested in doing it, frankly. And the young age is being spoiled. We are talking about, India's population is more than 60% is young age or young youth in future. And Modi is doing a lot of work for this. And every government is doing a lot of work. We have to skill them. But to skill them alone is not enough. You have to kill them because of diabetes, because of any other serious diseases, lifestyle diseases. So we have to bring many associations, NGOs, everything has to come forward to make a very big, robust awareness program. And not just awareness program. Bring them into the main focus and what is to be done, prevent it. Don't they always, we Indians are always looking for cure only. When prevention is cheaper. That is the way it has to be driven.
Yeah, cure is also not there.
Huh?
Yeah, cure is not
Cure is also not there. Even if only those who can have a cure is only who can throw the money.
No.
Lot of money.
Still, in spite of money, you can't cure diabetes.
Yeah, diabetes you cannot cure, but it can be controlled to normal.
Yeah,
Sure.
you have to control. You have to control, like tame.